welcome or welcome back to my channel. You see how the sun is kissing my face? Woo! Woo! You know guys, today the sun is crazy, like oh my god, just look at this. Anyways, thank you so much for supporting me in my previous vlogs. I appreciate you guys so much. Like, you mean the world to me. I'm so grateful, like oh my god. But anyways, yeah, so in today's vlog, as the title already suggests, I'm gonna take you through a house tour. Yeah, so if you're close to me, you know the thing go. But anyways, yeah, me, I don't know how I lost the sound in this clip. Like, it frustrates me. I don't like voiceovers, but I have nothing to do. I have to explain this to you guys. Yeah, so I'm giving you an empty apartment tour. Yeah, so I rented this house to do an Airbnb. So if you would want to stay in this beautiful space that I'm going to show you, so it's not yet furnished, so right now I'm just going to show you how empty it looks, how it is before I furnish it, before I furnish it. Yeah, so I'm giving you an empty tour and see how it looks. And yeah, so I will put everything in the description below, if in my contacts, if you want to book this apartment for your stays, if you're outside the country, Uganda, and you'd want to come visit the country. So I'm going to put everything in the description. Yeah, just stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't yet, and see all this journey, how I furnish this apartment and everything, and until to the last limit, and it's ready to be booked. Yeah, so I'm going to leave my details in the comments, in the description. And yeah, and you can also give me your suggestions, what I can change in the apartment, about the decors and all those things. Just comment down below in the comment sections and let me know guys what you think about this apartment. Yeah, so let's do this. So guys, this is the view that I have when I'm up at the balcony on this apartment. You can see the beautiful sceneries. You see, it's just beautiful, and the fresh air out here guys is so good. So I'm gonna put some seats out here, though I'm seeing like the sun is too much, but yeah, so it has this one window out here. So this is the window guys. Yeah, and this is the door. It is a keyless door, so you just put a card, you get it, and you open. So let's go inside guys. And yeah, so this is how it looks. So we're going now in the sitting area. So this is the sitting area. Where is it? So that's the door. It has this inside the door as well, so you can hear my echo. It's because the house is empty. I'm sure I'm giving you an house, so I'm giving you empty apartment too, so that's why you can hear some echo. So yeah, this is the door. It's just enough, and I'm going to put some beautiful curtains. So this is the sitting area guys. This is it. It is so this is it. It's just enough. It's just enough space, like yeah. So I'll put the sofa right there, and the TV is going to be right there. So they're going to mount a TV is going to they're going to put a TV mount. Yeah, they're going to install a TV mount. That's why you can see that wire out. Yeah, so but yeah, this is it. I just love this light, you guys. There are a lot of lights, like what, those ones that one, and also on this wall there are lights. Let me put them on and I show you. Can you see that, guys? Can you see that? All those lights. Yeah, it's just beautiful. Like, just imagine in the night how it looks. Yeah, you know. So this is the sitting area. It's just enough. It's just enough. It has this window. So that is it, guys. That is it. So I'm gonna put the TV right there, and yeah, this is about the sitting area. So let me take you to the bedroom. I would have taken you to the kitchen yet, but someone is cleaning there, so this first take you to the bedroom and the bathroom, and last I'll show you the kitchen. So that's the door to the bedroom. It's just beautiful, and I love how they have put that how is it called, that upper, like, to cover that space at that door. I just love it. And guys, one thing I was going to forget, you see on this window they have put these how can I call them, oh my god, these things like to prevent mosquitoes and some insects to enter. You get, even though it's night and it's too hot, you want to open the window, like you can open like safely, because there are those blinds, I should call them blinds. Like, it just brings in fresh air, but it cannot bring in any insect. You get, so it's all up there. You get it in the windows. Yeah, so let me take you to the bedroom, guys. So let's go to the bedroom. Ooh. So by the way, I had put some stuff, some furniture in the bedroom. Yeah, so this is the bedroom, guys. So when you enter, I found that wardrobe. I found it, and I just love it. So I just put this bed. But yeah, this is the bedroom. Those are the lights in the bedroom. They are so pretty, and it has 2 windows. You see, so there's also this window here. It just brings in enough light, and these are lights, also this one. And can you believe they put a dressing mirror? Yeah, who is that out there? But yeah, so they put this dressing mirror, like when you dress up, you want to move out, you can just come out here and you see yourself how beautiful you are, period. I just love it, you guys. But yeah, so I found it with a house. And one thing, guys, I want you to know, this house, I'm the first tenant, like, to settle in this apartment. It's newly built, no one has been here. Yeah, that's why you can see it's dirty, like too much dust, so I have to do a lot of cleaning. Yeah, so this is the mirror, guys. So on this side of the bathroom, so that's the door to the bathroom. I just love it. It's so cute. Is it? Just let me know. So these are the switch to the lights in the bathroom, and this one is for the water heater. It has a water heater, yo. So let's go to the bathroom, guys. I'm doing some cleaning, so you will see it's kind of messy, but yeah, so that's the bathroom. Let's put on the light. So it has that, come on. So this is the bathroom. I love the floor, the tile, the way it looks. It's just pretty. And this is the sink. It's just wide enough. It's just enough for 2, I believe. and it has this pretty mirror. Yeah, it has this light. Then put on this light, guys. Yeah, yeah. What do you want? What else do you want, guys? Like, this is luxury. I mean, like, where will you find such? But anyway, yeah, so that's the light. I'll give you like a full tour when everything is furnished, like when it's furnished, when everything is in place. But yeah, so we have this toothpaste and toothbrush holder, and this one is a soap dish. This is a soap dish, and we have our water heater up there. It looks pretty. And we have our shower. I had not seen this kind of showers, guys. I think it's a new brand. You see, I think it's electric. I'm not sure, but when you turn on like that, oh, okay. Let me turn on this. You see, it lights. It lights. Yeah, I think it's electric, but it just flows so well. You see that? So there is that shower ish. So it has a head shower. It has a hand shower. It also has this outlet. What is it called? So it also has this outlet nozzles. Yo, guys. So this is the spray gun for this, I think. Yes, when you want to clean like all these corners, you just clean. You see, in these corners, because when you clean the bathroom, that's these parts, these small parts you cannot reach, like the brush cannot reach, but this one comes in handy. I just love it. But yeah, so that is the shower, and it comes with this. Don't put anything in this house, only that bed that you've seen. Everything that you see, they came with the house. Like, I was overwhelmed to see that mirror, like that dressing mirror. I was like, what? Anyway, so we have these sockets here. Like, if we have the dryer, we can put there. And also, what else? Those hair electronics. Yeah, they can be kept there. And that's another storage. And we have this window for the bathroom, and here we have our toilet. We are cleaning, guys, don't mind. And this one is a tissue rack. You see how pretty it is. Have not seen this. And we have some more hooks, yeah, and we also have a towel rack. Yeah, I will call it a towel rack. This one is really different. Had not seen it. Yeah, we are used to this steel one, like the steel one. On these ones, it just in place, it doesn't move, but this one moves like this. And there's another hook there. So this is the kitchen. So there's this walkway, and there's this beautiful lights. So you just walk in here. I believe I'm going to put a little dining here. I don't know, they're doing some cleaning, guys, don't mind. I'm just giving you an empty house too. Yeah, so this is the kitchen. Okay, what I did not like about this kitchen is these green tiles. I don't like them, but it's okay. Yeah, so that's the window. Can you believe it has 2 windows? There's also this one. This is the cabinets, just pretty, and that's where you hang your cutleries. Huh? This is where you hang your cutleries. Yeah, cutlery. English. So this is where you hang your cutleries. Hey Jesus, that word. But anyways, yeah, that's where you hang your forks, spoons, whatever. And here I'm gonna put the cooking stove, and here the fridge. Yeah, so so these are the cabinets. They're just enough, and I just loved that it has the double sink. Yeah, it has double sink, guys. The water is flowing so good. Yeah, so that is it. So they have cleaned this side. I think they're only left with the cabinets, and this is the light in the kitchen. I believe it's just enough. Let me know what you think about it, guys. Anyways, so that is it. So guys, that is it for the house tour, empty house tour. Let me do the cleaning. I don't know if I'm going to show you the cleaning, like when I'm cleaning, because I just want to concentrate and get done with this cleaning. But yeah, so yeah, I had to move out here to get the sun kiss, and I do this outro for you guys. But anyways, yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Until we meet again, I appreciate your support. Let me know what you think about this apartment, and what do you think is the price for the rent. Let me know in the comment sections. But yeah, if you want to rent it, just write down in the comment sections. Yeah, just comment down in the comment sections. After furnishing, you just come and chill. It's going to be really a chilling, beautiful, peaceful, because this environment is really peaceful, as you can see, like not seeing, as you can tell right now, because yeah, it's peaceful, and the air here is so calm, like it's so fresh. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think about this vlog, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscription. Click that subscription button. Give it a like, and until you meet again, guys. Ciao ciao.